Hi! In front of me is REALME 6i, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Firstly, access settings and scroll down. Now choose convenience tools and tap on navigation buttons. After that, click on the switcher next to pull down to enter one-handed mode and follow those instructions. So I have to pull down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. You can change placement of the screen by clicking on this icon over here. If you want to go back, tap on this stop icon in one of the corners. If you want to turn off one-handed mode completely, click at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!